Hey everyone, if you thought the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra was already a photography powerhouse, well, wait till you see this. Today, we're looking at the brand new special photography edition of the Pura 80 Ultra, and trust me, it's packed with pro-level gear for content creators. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss another deep dive into the coolest tech out there. Alright, let's get into it. This new photography edition comes from Tilta, a company based in Shenzhen, famous for making professional accessories for cinema cameras. They've now turned their attention to smartphones, and the result is nothing short of impressive. So what's in the box? First up, a custom smartphone case. But this isn't just any case, it's actually the world's first smartphone case with an embedded circuit system. That means it has a built-in power supply and a neural network that lets it connect seamlessly with all the other accessories through external contacts. Next, you get a side handle, and this one's a game changer. Not only does it give you a super solid grip for shooting photos and videos, it also has a built-in 5000 mAh battery to keep you powered up. And yes, it supports 20-watt fast charging with a USB-C cable that can plug right into your phone. Plus, the handle comes with actual physical buttons to turn on power, start recording, and even control other camera functions. There's also a 3.5mm mic port for connecting external audio. Then there's the advanced radiator. This little gadget keeps your phone cool in under heavy use, spinning at 6,700 RPM and dropping the temperature by as much as 8 degrees Celsius. It attaches magnetically or with a clamp, so you've got options. And that's not all. You also get a mini fill light for perfect lighting, a sturdy tripod, and a quick-release adapter to make setting up fast and easy. This entire photography edition is priced at just 3,299 yuan, and it's already available on Mall in China. So if you're serious about mobile photography or creating content on the go, this kit really turns the Pura 80 Ultra into a professional level setup. What do you think? Would you invest in a smartphone accessory kit like this? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.